So recently my wife said that my card holder had been looking old and worn out and that I should get a new one. And you know what I said? I said, hey, you're not the boss of me. I'm the man of the house and I do what I want, woman. Don't you dare tell me what to do. So anyway, after taking out the trash, I'll be showing a partial unboxing of my new card holder that I got from Bellroy in Australia and a very brief review. This is a partial unboxing done in portrait mode because I'm a genius, who also included the FedEx envelope with my address in full view, and which I'm too lazy to blur out. I'm almost 40 now, so clearly there's not much hope left. Here it is, and it feels really good. Very nice workmanship. I've got around 4 or 5 cards. In there, and there's room for more. When Bellroy say that over time you'll also get that beautiful vintage leather look, which I personally really like. So I highly recommend this, and if you know someone who's considering getting something else, I'd strongly encourage you to try and talk some sense into them, feeling which you should trick them into being locked in a room after you've stolen their credit card and ordered this card holder for them. They'll thank you for it, and trust me, it'll really strengthen your relationship. Anyway, hope this helped.